Hello and welcome to another installment of Renaissancepop. There was a time when basic life skills were taught to us all in school. Home ec, shop. One of the reasons I make these clips is to remind or maybe inform someone who might benefit from these tips. I'm sure a lot of you have already seen this. But if you like this, please subscribe and share. Cast iron pots and pans are versatile and durable. They can braise, bake, and fry, and can be used in ovens, stove tops, and open fires. Cooking healthy is the foundation of a long, healthy life. Cast iron and aluminum pots and pans leach or diffuse their alloys into the food when they're heated to a certain temperature. The difference is iron is an essential mineral that our body uses, and aluminum can retain in our bodies with the help of fluoride in our municipal public waters. I don't recommend cooking with foil or any aluminum products. When cooking with cast iron, never use acidic ingredients like tomatoes or tomato sauce. Vinegar can leach alloys as well. Never ever use soap, and if the pan is sticky, add a small amount of water and clean like such, and then dump it out. And wipe it off. Now this is very well seasoned, but I'm going to show you how to season this by getting it heated up first, which it is, and adding some oil. There's a little bit of waving in that, and that shows the heat and the temperature, so that's adequate. So you'll just move that around like that, throw some salt in there, and you're going to create an osmotic diffusion, which means that the oils are going to go into the cast, and some of the cast is going to go into the oil. That's why we don't cook with aluminum. Aluminum's really good for covering up cool foods and non-acidic foods, and wearing as a hat if you want. But it's really bad for you, especially with the fluoride that we're all exposed to. So, it's really the best product in your kitchen that you could have besides a good knife. And I use Lodge because Lodge is local and they are somewhat collectible, but they're very functional, and I like the designs, and their alloys are strong, and they season well and they cook well. And I have a collection of most everything from braising pots to campfire cauldrons. So anyway, thank you so much for your time, and if you like it, please share. This is Renaissancepop.